Hey guys, I just got a call from Candace and she said our bees swarmed. Don't know exactly what's going on right now. I'm headed home right now. I'm gonna go see what's going on. I don't know if it's our bees swarmed or if we have a swarm that's close to our hives. All she said was it's really loud outside. There's a bunch of bees everywhere. She could see them up in the tree. So bear with me. I don't know how much footage I can get, but we're going to see what's going on. All right. So I've came home, assessed the situation. We do have a swarm. I don't think I can get a good shot of it for you, but I'm going to kind of point. The big oak tree right there, that swarm is right there. So it's on the main trunk of the tree. Obviously I'm not going to be able to get up to it. It's at least 40, 50 feet in the tree. So I've come up with plan B. Never done this. Don't know if it's going to work, but I think it's my only shot. I believe our bees have swarmed. I believe those are our bees. I don't think it's an extra swarm from somewhere else. So I was able, I've already put all my honey supers, all my boxes on the hive. So I don't have any boxes. I was able to get a hold of Roscoe down the road, and he had one deep box left. And we don't have any frames or anything. I don't even have a top or a bottom board. So what I'm going to do is try to make a top and a bottom for this quick, maybe bungee something together, get a hole in it. And Roscoe actually did have some lemongrass oil. I'm going to put some lemongrass oil on a Q-tip. I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to put this over by the tree, and I'm going to try to catch this swarm. I don't know what happened. Best guess, they may have ran out of bee space and there was too many bees in there and they partially swarmed or fully swarmed. I did walk back by the bees. They're a little bit aggressive right now, so I don't really want to stir it up too bad over there. There are bees flying around the yard. That's usually not happening right now. So I'm going to try to get some scraps, put this box together. I'm going to try to show you guys best I can. Like I said, never done this before. Don't know if it's going to work, but I think it's my only shot. And we're going to try to capture this swarm. I'm going to take you along and see what we can come up with, okay? Bear with me. This is completely new territory. I kind of like to film things I know a little bit about. This is something I don't know a little bit about. So we're just going to show you kind of what we're doing here, okay? If you guys got some comments, leave them down below, because by the time I get this video out, I still might have some time to catch this swarm, and some of that input would be really valuable for me. So let's get scrapping this little nuke back together. This is what I found here. I just got some OSB, and I'm gonna just screw these two pieces of OSB to this box, and then I'm gonna stand it up. I'm gonna drill a hole in here. We're gonna slip in our Q-tip with that lemongrass oil on it, and I'm gonna probably try to get some kind of little piece of sheet metal that I can just screw on for a cover right here. So if I do catch the swarm, I can, so when I go to move it, I can shut the door on it, and then I can figure out where I'm gonna go from there. First thing is catching this swarm. And let me tell you, just staying out here, these bees are flying all over the place. They're not usually like this at all. So I'm kind of fuzz nervous. So I'm gonna try to knock this out pretty quick. I'm not gonna have very many cool shots of me doing drilling holes and stuff like that for you, okay? I'm just gonna knock this out. We're gonna try to get that over there and hopefully get these guys calmed down a little bit. I really wanted to get a box like this made up earlier this year to try and catch a swarm. So maybe in hindsight, this is good practice to figure out how to do this for next year. We've been really wanting to get some natural Michigan bees. The ones we purchase around here are not from Michigan. I believe they're Carolina bees, what we normally get. But this might be a blessing in disguise. We actually get to kind of work on this a little more impromptu, but we'll give it a shot. I'm sure there are many beekeepers out there right now going, Eric, what are you doing? This is totally not right. And I understand. I just don't have the equipment or the knowledge to do anything different. So until I do, this is going to be a little trial and error for us. Candace has gotten stung quite a few times this summer, and not just with our honeybees, but with our wasp problem that we had as well. So she's getting a little bit irritated with the stinging insects. There's a bunch of bees right there right now. So I understand her frustration for sure. I don't have a big enough bit either. I'm going to have to kind of hog out a couple holes here and see how this works. Do something like that. Something like this. The right tool for the job. Which I hate doing this stuff. All right, pretty quick. Pretty rude. Don't ask me how I made a square hole with a round drill bit, but I did. I just put this little door on here like this, so if they do go in there, I can shut it quick. That's it. This is gonna stand up like so, and that's it. I'm gonna give this a shot. Pretty rude and crude. So now I'm going to try. I can't get up in the tree. I can't get in any adjacent trees or anything right now. So what I am going to try to do is probably go get that ladder back there that the kids use on their zip line. I'm going to get that ladder. I'm going to go put it over here, back where the swarm is, kind of. And then I'm going to put this up on top of the ladder and throw in our Q-tip with the lemongrass oil and wait and see. All right, guys, this is what I came up with. Just kind of bungee strapped this with some old bungees to the wooden ladder. I ended up using my other ladder. The big ladder in the backyard wasn't going to work. So that's about it. Now these guys are getting a little bit more aggressive out here running around the yard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw my suit on quick. I've got my Q-tip right here. And I've got my lemongrass oil. I'm just going to put a little bit of that oil on this. I'm going to slip it in this hole here quick. I'm going to slip that with the lemongrass oil in the hole. And I'm going to drag this out kind of underneath that tree over there and just kind of watch it and see what happens. See if we can get these guys to go in this little box. I am going to throw a post out right now too. As soon as I get done with this. Took a couple pictures. I'm going to throw a post out and see if we can't get any extra information from that too. So anything's welcome. I appreciate it. This was definitely not what I planned on doing when I got home from work today. So, all right, I'm probably gonna just set this camera down when I go to drag this over. I can't hold the camera, drag all this, and try to get it over there. So I'll come back and let you know how everything kind of went. I am gonna throw that suit on because I don't know what's gonna happen when I get close to that tree. These roosters sure are vocal today. They've probably been hearing them guys buzzing and stuff because the bees are right next to pretty close to the chickens, so I'm sure they've been messed with a little bit. Haven't seen anything wrong with the chickens, but this stuff is uber potent too. So I just put a little dab on. We're gonna put this back in the truck. Okay, they say a little dab will do ya. I'm gonna put that guy right in there. All right. Well, I got it up, guys. Wasn't too bad. I didn't really notice a whole lot of flying insects of the stinging variety around there. So that's it. I want to jump off right now. I want to get a couple posts up on our YouTube community board. And if you guys see any of those, you guys got any info for me, drop it in a comment. I'm going to give it a day or two, and I'm going to update you regardless if I end the video or not. We'll kind of see how this goes, and I guarantee if they go into that box and I get my swarm out of the tree into that box, I'm going to be doing a video of it. So, all right. Thanks, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.